everyone, welcome back to my channel Day 13 Learning English with me. So today we discuss about Christmas, on which day celebrated Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25 December. It is an important festival for Christians. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is the teaches love and kindness. Christmas teaches us to help others. In many countries, Christmas is a big festival. People decorate their house, people give gifts to family and friends. They eat special food and cakes. Children like Christmas very much. They like Santa Claus. Santa Claus gives gifts to children. In India, most people do not celebrate Christmas. India is a country of many religions. People in India celebrate different festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid are big festival in India. Christians people are less in number in India. Many people know Christmas from movies, but in real life in places not know there about festival in Christmas. Many people know Christmas from movies. Some people see Christmas in school and malls. They see a decoration and lights, but they do not know the full meaning of Christmas. Some people think Christmas is only about gifts, but Christmas is about love and sharing. It teaches us to be a kind and helpful. In places like Goa, Kerala, Christmas is celebrated more because people go to a church on Christmas Day. They pray and sing songs. Families spend time together. India teaches us to respect all religions. We respect every festival even if we do not celebrate Christmas. We wish other Merry Christmas. Festival bring happiness in life. They teach us unity and peace. We should learn good things from every festival. Christmas teaches love. Loves make the world better, and we celebrate Christmas. So that's it detail about Christmas, and let's talk about like simple conversations like me and you is in front of camera and you related to itself I am just asking what is a Christmas. What do you think? Christmas is a festival of Christians. And why do people celebrate Christmas? Because people celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. And which festival popular in India? Diwali, Holi and Eid are popular festival in India. Why do most people in India not celebrate Christmas? And the answer is because India has many religion and festival. That's why India not celebrate Christmas rather than other festivals. And last question is, what does Christmas teach us? Christmas teaches love and kindness. So today we discuss about Christmas, and it's you not know that about Christmas, so you know about that, and you know already know that. So it's quite interesting to learn about something new. That's it for video guys. See you in next video, and tell me in the comment section which type of video in make of next topic. So bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new member.